Hi, John Giffin here with State Roofing Company out of Houston, Texas. I want to talk to you about hand nailing versus gun nails. Shingle manufacturers allow either one. Staples are no longer used, have not been in a long time. But I want to talk about shingle manufacturers first and what they've done. Most shingle manufacturers have come up with a nail strip or a nail zone, basically. That's where you need to nail the shingles. The old shingles, they didn't have this line or this space here. And you had to nail them per manufacturer specs so that it went through both layers of the laminated shingle so they would not come apart. But now let's talk about hand nail versus gun nails. Gun nailing, when you're carrying that gun across that shingle, you may be moving it at an angle. And if you're not regulating that compressor that gun nail's running off of, it could blow the nail all the way through the shingle. Therefore, you have an unnailed shingle, or you have inaccurate nailing that will not hold that shingle in place and is more susceptible to wind damage. All my shingles, my crews, only hand nail shingles. That is for better accuracy, and so we can prevent wind blow off. That way we meet the wind standards that the manufacturers won't met with fastening the shingles. If you've got any questions, call me. If you got shingles falling off your roof, call me. I can come look at it and see if it was improperly installed. A lot of these builders, they use quality workmanship, but those guys that are out there, they're running that nail gun as fast as they can. So take action, talk to your roofing contractor, make sure they're going to use the nail gun properly if they're going to use it, or either make sure they only hand nail your roof system on. State Roofing Company only hand nails. Call us to get the professional job that you want done. Thank you. State Roofing Company, Houston, Texas.